Okay, guys, we have another PR package. This one is from Texas, so let's open it up together, see who it's from. Fogy stainless steel cup. Okay, wait, it's like a tumbler. Oh, literally, duh, it says right here. Okay, wait, let's open this. This color is amazing. Look at this. It's literally the size of, bigger than my head. This is so nice. Okay, so we've got like little drinking area. This, here we have a straw. Oh my gosh. This is so nice, you guys. Look how huge. Yeah, this is 40 ounces. You know I'll be using this a lot. So this is stainless steel, reusable straw. It's leak proof, cup holder friendly, 24 hours cold. Fogy, thank you so much.